Hi there, Chris here with another unboxing for you all. In this video, we are going to look at the Shining Spears. These are brand new models. As of the release of this video, these guys should be going up for pre-order. And yeah, I'm really excited about these models. They look fantastic. And man, I mean, these are going to be a fine addition to the collection, as it were. And so we have the new Shining Spears, 3 to a box, making all sorts of mess and noise here. You can see here we have the 3 plus an X-Arc. Ooh, looks like varying options for the X-Arc as well. Wow. I like the helmeted one and unhelmeted. I don't know why. I just like my unhelmeted Eldars. Anyway, let's dive in. Let's just start opening up this box and see what we can see. Use my dull knife to get into this thing. Oh man, I'm excited. What are we gonna find? I mean, sprues, obviously, but can I get into this box without destroying it? There we go. So inside the box, oh, what's in there? Ooh, some flying stands. So right away we are treated with the usual, as what we'd expect. 3 flying stands, 3 little stems, the usual fare, transfer sheet. This is the new transfer sheet that we get with these Eldar kits. I think that's pretty darn cool. Instruction booklet. Comes with all the options. Gives us all those little fun little things. Oh yeah, look at these. Ooh. Yeah, these are purty. All right, so let's have a look at the sprues. So we get 2 sprues. Are they identical? No, they're not identical. They're different. It is 2 different sprues. That's a little bit surprising, considering. But yeah, lots of options. Oh, look at that X-Arc head. The X-Arc head reminds me of the Deepkin. I wonder if that's intentional, that they kind of have that Deepkin kind of vibe to them. All sorts of bits. Cowls are different. Bodies are different. Yeah, these bikes, a lot of people speculated on the Shroud Runners being the same kit, and I think we all know these are not the same kit. Very cool. Oh, look at the big lances. Oh man, look how big those lances are. They're huge. Banners and such. My god, these are wicked awesome. But there we go. That's the unboxing of this kit. Hopefully you guys found this somewhat informative and interesting. Let me know down below if you guys are excited for Shining Spears, what you're planning to do. Within the Samhan force, these guys are pretty darn deadly. And so, yeah, who knows, right? Who knows? Big thank you to all my patrons. Without your support, these videos would not be possible. If you're considering Patreon support, click the link in the description below. It'll take you off to a magical website called Patreon, where there are varying tiers of support. And a huge thank you to everybody who does, and a huge thank you to everybody for their continued support, and all of you brand new people, huge thank you. Take care of your brushes, and they'll take care of you.